What if I told you that you could build a fully optimized Shopify store in minutes without needing any coding, design skills, or prior experience?
Oh my god! Wow!
Sounds crazy, right? Well, thanks to AI, it's 100% possible. In today's video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step process to create a professional and high-converting Shopify store using AI. And make sure to stick around to the very end, because I am also going to share some powerful tweaks that will instantly boost your conversions and make your store truly stand out. And before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps out the channel and keeps more valuable content coming your way. And with that said, let's dive in and start building your store. Alright, so before we jump into the AI magic, the first step is to actually set up your Shopify store. And if you haven't done that already, then be sure to check out the link in the description to actually get 3 months of Shopify for $1. And after you click the link, you'll be transported to this page. And this is simply the best way to start without breaking the bank. So be sure to check it out. And with all that said, I'm going to set up my account right now. So I'll catch you guys when I'm on the Shopify homepage. Alright, so as you can see, after going through all the setup, we've been transported to the Shopify homepage. And before we move on to the AI part, I've already picked out my product and created a simple logo for my store. And if you haven't done that yet, now is the best time to do it, because having a product and branding figured out beforehand will just make the whole process way smoother. And luckily for you, I've actually made a full video on how to choose a product and create a logo, and it should pop up somewhere on the screen right now. So be sure to check that out. And once you've got everything set, then we can finally move on to the fun part, which is using AI to create our store. And now, instead of spending hours manually designing your store, we're going to use this AI powered tool called Atlas, and you can easily find it on the Shopify App Store, but I've also left the link in the description so you don't have to look for it, and it should be the first link in the description. And once you click the link, you should be transported to this page, and this tool does simply all the heavy lifting for you. It automatically creates a high converting Shopify store by picking the ideal layout, building out your product pages, and even optimizing everything for better conversions. So with that said, let's install it, and I'll walk you through exactly how to use it and how to set everything up. Alright, so after you download the Atlas AI Store Builder, you should be transported to this page, and now we can finally import our products. And if you're using suppliers such as Zendrop, AutoDS or CJ Dropshipping, then first you're going to want to connect your products to your store and then click Shopify to import them here. But if you're using AliExpress, Amazon or Alibaba, then you're simply going to want to click, for example, AliExpress, then go to a product that you want to sell and copy the URL that's at the top of the page and paste it here. As for me, I'm going to go with Shopify, and I've imported my products already. As you can see, it's over here. Then you want to simply click add. And when the product is added, as you can see, the AI Store Builder is already crafting our store. And as you can see, it literally took 30 seconds to generate our store. And now you want to select the photos that you want to appear on your website. And if you forgot to import your photos before, you can do it now by simply going over here and clicking upload image. And as you can see, I've already imported mine, so I'm just going to click continue. And there you have it, my product website generated by AI. And as you can see, within like 2 minutes, AI has generated me a full-on store. And when you're here, you can even select color presets. For example, I'm going to go with this pinkish type color because this is going to be the theme of my store. Then you can even set custom colors if you wish. Then you can even go to the product and change literally everything from the descriptions to the copy on the website. You can even change reviews, add reviews, you can do anything, FAQs, homepage, everything. For now, I'm going to click continue. Then you're going to pick a plan. Personally, I would recommend going with the Pro plan, as it's $49 for a month. And I would definitely say that it's worth it, because the amount of features that you have for the price is just simply amazing, and no one offers such a good book for the value. And if you even don't have the money right now, they offer a 3-day free trial so that you can check it out and actually see if you want to purchase it. But actually, heading back, even though that the AI Store Builder gave us a solid foundation, we're not stopping there. Let's make this site even better. And just a quick reminder, if you've gained some value from the video so far, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, as it really helps out with the algorithm, gets the content pushed out to more people, and simply motivates me to keep sharing more free value like this. So with that said, thanks for the support, and let's get back to the video. So as I said before, even though that the AI does most of the heavy lifting, if we really want to maximize in conversions, we're going to need to add a few key elements manually. So be sure to grab a notepad, because these are the things that literally nobody talks about, but are the key components of actually having a good conversion rate. And the first one is having reviews and social proof on your website. And for this, you're going to want to use apps like Klooks to display customer reviews, which will boost your credibility and build trust with a potential customer. And it's a must-have when creating a store. And the reviews that you have build social proof so that someone will actually want to purchase from your site. And the second key component is having bundles and upsells on your website. And for this step, Atlas AI actually comes in clutch because they already have a feature like this. But if you want to use other apps, I would recommend going with Kaching bundles. And you're going to want to have bundles and upsells on your website because they can dramatically increase your average order value and conversion rate at the same time, which basically means more money in your pocket. And the last key component when looking for a good conversion rate is having optimized product descriptions, because even though AI generates great content, tweaking your descriptions to match the brand's tone will make a big difference. And you can even use ChatGPT for this step, but be sure to keep them short and packed with value for the customer at the same time, because nobody is going to read 3 paragraphs of text about your product. And by value for the customer, I mean you don't want to talk about specifically about the features of the product. Instead, you want to talk about the benefits that those features give the customer. And now, with all that said, I'll just quickly add all these things in and I'll catch you guys once I finish so that you can see for yourself that adding these things makes a significant difference and it makes your site actually pop off. And I actually forgot to mention this, but when you customize everything in Atlas and click continue, then it should take you to this themes page and you're going to simply want to click publish. And when your site uploads like this, you're going to want to click customize, and then you're going to want to head over here, click app embeds, activate Atlas and click save. And when you go to catalog, your product should be over here, and when you double click, it should take you to the products page. And when you're making a store, remember you're going to want to always optimize for mobile, so just click here and leave it as it is, and now you can start editing.
A few moments later.
Alright, so as you can see, I've just added everything in, and now our website not only looks professional, but will definitely convert visitors into customers much more effectively. And now I'll just give you a quick run through of what I added to the store and what you should also implement when creating yours. So let's start off with the images, and you usually don't want to use more than 5 images because then your website looks a bit spammy, and you just want your store to look something like this: an image, maybe add a GIF, customers, people using the product, and just one image explaining how the product works. Then I just added the product features with some emojis. Bundles, remember you need to add a bundle. It will dramatically increase your conversion rate, so be sure to not forget about this. Then you're going to want to add some icons. Remember, you always need a 30-day guarantee at least if you want people to purchase from you, because then they feel safe. You want to have a secure checkout and offer free shipping. We're in 2025, you need to have free shipping on your website. Then we add some reviews, social proof. I added 3 reviews, as you can see over here. Then just product descriptions. As you can see, I didn't add much text because nobody's going to read that. It needs to be short and concise, but filled with value for the customer. Then you tell the customer about the 90-day guarantee again, so that after reading everything, they feel stupid not to buy from you because you have a 90-day guarantee. Then you add some photos, frequently asked questions, and now I'll just pop on the screen how the site looks before and after, so you can see and take a look for yourself. And this just goes to show that with AI handling 90% of the work, you can create a clean, engaging products page. And with just a few simple tweaks, you can have a fully optimized store ready to sell in no time. And this literally took me around 20 or 30 minutes to do and optimize everything for my store. So you can see for yourself that with 1 to 2 hours of work, you can have a fully optimized Shopify store. And remember, if you want to use the AI store builder for yourself, then just click the first link in the description and set your site up quickly by following the steps that I mentioned earlier in the video. So there you have it, a complete Shopify store built in minutes using AI. But here's the truth, even the best looking store won't make you money without the right product. And that's why your next step is crucial. We need to find a winning product before anything else. And luckily for you, I've already made a full video that walks you through exactly how to do that. So click here to watch it next and really set yourself up for success. So with that said, be sure to subscribe for more content like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.